Our next guest is Sean Hansen, who's a licensed mortgage professional from All Western Mortgage, who's going to be giving you the latest in the mortgage industry updates. Thank you so much for being here, Sean.
Thank you very much today.
You're very welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. I know it's a very busy end of the month for you, right?
It is the end of the month. That is correct.
Exactly. So tell us exactly, first of all, tell our audience who you are and give us a little bit about your background.
My name is Sean Hansen.
Okay.
I'm with a company called All Western Mortgage. Our company's been around since the mid-'80s.
All right.
Okay. I've been doing this on and off for the past 20 years, the last 10 to 12, solely again. It's getting rougher. But there's a team that we put together that we go after clients across the country, across Nevada, to try to help them once they've foreclosed or short sold.
Okay.
And kind of educate them again on how to buy a house.
Wonderful. Good. So you're right place, right time. You think being here in Las Vegas?
Well, I think Las Vegas is going to be a great market.
Wonderful. Can you tell our viewers out there what are the changes? What's going on?
Well, come April 1st, your upfront mortgage insurance premiums that are on FHA loans, they call them MIPs.
Okay.
Your monthly is actually going to go up.
Oh.
So you pay monthly mortgage insurance because it is a federal, Federal Housing Authority Association, so it is.
Okay.
And it goes up April 1st, and then come June 1st, they are going to leave MI on the life of the loan. Well, the old guidelines stated that after 5 years or 78% loan to value of the loan, you could try to negotiate with FHA to take off the mortgage insurance.
Okay.
As of June 1st, it is going to be held on the life of the loan.
So as long as they keep that
An FHA loan.
FHA loan, they can no longer
They can
remove
no longer try
that.
to get it removed.
Okay, and they would have to refinance into conventional or something else in order
Correct.
to get out of that. Okay, and are there any kind of alternatives aside from FHA programs that's available to our viewers right now?
Well, conventional financing is starting to come back.
Okay.
Meaning in which now you can do 3% down again on conventional financing.
Oh, good. All right.
Your upfront mortgage insurance is not there on the loan,
All right.
and the mortgage insurance monthly is actually a little cheaper than FHA is right now. You do have to qualify. Your debt to income ratios are a little lower than they are on FHA,
Okay.
so you do have to be able to qualify as far as your income is a little better off. I try to give a client every option that is out there possible.
Okay.
There are all types of loans that are out there for buyers nowadays.
Okay.
There is loans that are called, we have HomePath that is out there. You have HUD homes, which are out there.
Mm-hmm.
And then you have conventional financing and FHA financing. The difference between conventional and FHA nowadays is come April 1st, that monthly mortgage insurance premium is going to be higher on FHA than it is on conventional.
Yeah. So.
Nowadays, in the last few months, conventional has gotten a little bit more aggressive, and so your mortgage insurance premium a month is less,
Okay.
and you don't have to have that upfront MIP tacked onto your loan.
Wow. Because before, for our first-time home buyers, the only option they really have are FHAs, what is being offered to them. So now you're saying they can possibly, qualify for both, or?
Well, we try to see if they can qualify for both first, and that's where we sit down and kind of weigh our options as far as the borrower is concerned.
Okay.
Our goal is to make sure that they understand what is going on. There's a program out there, and they call it HARP.
Okay.
Okay, we call it HARP 2 in our industry. It is a Fannie or Freddie Mac owned home. Okay, they're the ones that actually own the note on the property.
Okay.
If you have one of those two as a loan on your property, you can actually refinance your home right now, even if you are upside down. What we do is we drop the interest rates.
Okay.
That being said, the reason why is over the last 4 or 5 years, interest rates were 5, 6, 7, 8% interest on homes. Well, right now we're bringing you down to the fair current market interest rates. If you're in 4%, 3 points, 3.5, 4, 4.5, just depending on what type of property you own.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So, in regards to qualification, the homeowners, do they have to qualify, or do they have to have excellent payment history, or
They do
tell that?
have to qualify
Okay.
for the loan.
Is it going to be just like a regular refinance, or
It is.
submitting everything else?
It is a regular refinance, except for as long as we get what is called in our industry a PIW,
Okay.
property inspection waivers, you don't have to do an appraisal.
I see.
If we don't get it, then we do have to do an appraisal.
And how's that determined? Whether they would get a, what is it called, a
PIW.
PIW, and how is that determined? Who determines whether they need that or not?
Actually, the automated systems determine that nowadays.
Okay.
What has been designed by Fannie and Freddie Mac. We call them the automated systems because they are automated and they give us the answer yes or no.
Okay.
At that point, we kind of let the clients know, this is where you stand, this is what you can do, here are your options. Now the biggest thing with this loan is you have to be current on your mortgage. You cannot
Okay.
have any late payments right now.
There you go. So you definitely got to be current.
That is the
All right.
kicker.
Okay.
Actually, if the client would like to, they can contact us or contact anybody, and they can go on the websites of Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac.
Okay.
Put in their addresses, they ask for the last four of their social, and it will tell you right then and there if they own your mortgage.
Oh, okay. So they can
So-
pretty much do it on their own. There's a
Absolutely.
website that something's available. They can put in their, you said their address and their social security
Their
number?
their home address,
Okay.
their,
And they
their
can do
name,
that.
their home address, and then they put in the last four of their social, and they hit the submit button, and it will tell you right then and there.
Okay,
if you
wonderful.
are a Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac owned property.
Okay. And right now we have a lot of cash buyers.
Correct.
Okay. For a lot of the cash buyers out there, if they wanted to purchase a property in cash and then decide they want to take money out of the property, what is that called? Refinancing? Refi cash
It is
out?
called a cash out refinance.
Okay.
You have to wait 6 months to be able to do it. There are certain programs that will allow you to do it 30 days after you close on the
Wow.
property.
Okay.
The only difference is you're only allowed to get 70% loan to value of whatever the property is worth. We will only lend you 70% back.
Okay.
As long as it is a primary residence,
Okay.
you can go up to 80% loan to value. On the second home or investment properties, we're still at about 70%. The banks haven't opened up the doors that wide yet.
What about if a lot of investors are purchasing right now? Are they
Right.
able to get any cash out at all?
Investors, you can do it within the programs that are out there. There's one specific that we use.
Okay.
It's actually in our own bank.
Okay.
Bottom line, you can do it. 30 days afterwards, we'll give you 65% on investment properties.
65% on investment.
Correct.
So they can really roll their money if they decide to do anything else
Correct.
without those funding.
Absolutely.
Wonderful. And of course, tell our viewers, Sean, how they can get a hold of you. Do you have a website and a phone number? Can you tell our viewers that, please?
Absolutely. Our phone number is 702-938-3566.
Okay.
And you can reach us via email if you'd like to. It is allwestern.com. There's a button, allwesternmtg.com. And you can also email us if you'd like to. So my email address is shanson@allwestern.com.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for
It
being
was a pleasure.
here.
Thank you very much for asking me to come down today.
You're very welcome. Don't go away. We'll be right back.
Keeping or buying a home in Las Vegas is no longer an easy task. You need someone who has local experience, integrity, and dedication to help you. O48 Realty has helped Las Vegas families in need for the past 10 years. It is a team of real estate professionals with a proven track record.
Hi, if you're looking for a fresh start and keep your home, or if you're looking for the best value in a new home in Las Vegas, please call us now.
O48 Realty, a local company you can lean on in bad or good times.